She's vacuuming. And I'm gonna be making all this shit public because all day you try to just be like, okay, whatever. Follow me in the bathroom every single time I go. It's 9 to fucking 10, and she just started vacuuming. And you remember, like, we put the clocks back, so really it's like 11 o'clock at night. And I'm gonna say this repeatedly. There is a child up there that has to go to school tomorrow. I don't think, like, they're off for Thanksgiving yet, and that wouldn't explain all the million other times she's doing this. All they're doing is playing with water, and we're vacuuming for no reason at 9:52 at night. Because I have another one from 5 o'clock today, which I said, this is, if she did this, it would be fine. I'm glad I uploaded it. Because I just want to show, like, I'm not being like, ugh, she's vacuuming at all. I'm being like, she's vacuuming ridiculous times and ridiculous amounts. Like, nobody thinks this is normal. Nobody. Actually, people are like, what the fuck is wrong with these people? That's usually the response I get to this. They think they're mentally deficient. Because no one thinks you live in an apartment building and that this is okay. They're like, you know, if it was like a house, they lived in a house or something, but you have to have some kind of like, and remember, she already did this. So I guess I'm gonna make all the fucking vacuuming public. Or I'm gonna start going through them and making them public. Because I have days of this. Days. They're just, you know, they're private. Until I decide otherwise. And I got some slams too, and her following me in the bathroom, which most of them I put in on Ariela's page, so they're just going to remain private. But you know, I have them for with the right people, you know. Not for like just public consumption, but you know, police, lawyers, whatever, judges. She's still vacuuming. She's just vacuuming in the back at 5 of 10 at night. And you gotta remember, there's people like next door. What, honey? You're not getting my Wi-Fi tonight. You have food. Oh, squeaky cat. We're gonna keep recording this whole thing because I have a feeling she's gonna be vacuuming after 10 o'clock at night. Hi, what do you want? You want attention? You're growing at nose though. You know. 9:58. Oh, I'm sorry, 9:59. And the clock on the TV is the exact time. You know, like I said, and I'll keep saying, she don't have a job. So there ain't no reason why she should be vacuuming at ridiculous hours at all. Not that that's an excuse. Yeah, here's a clue to you. I don't know who told you you're allowed to vacuum till 10 o'clock. That's not gonna look good in front of a judge. They're gonna ask you why that you feel the need to vacuum late at night. And I'd love to hear your excuse.